Great inventions are often created when there is a great need. Since the start of using IV fluids to achieve therapeutic benefits, there has been a need for a better way to administer fluids to large animals. iWin Stat Large Animal IV System is that better way. Over 20 years ago, a frustrated equine surgeon decided to develop a large bore system that could continually deliver large volumes of sterile fluids to sick, uncomfortable, often extremely painful, and violent large animal patients. He realized that could only happen successfully if the patient was able to move about freely in an enclosure while receiving the fluids. International Win's Stat Large Animal IV System was patented in 1988. With this new system, fluid administration became a profitable prescription, quick and easy to set up. Now, every veterinarian can provide the best care to their patients. In fact, the Stat Large Animal IV System is now used in every veterinary teaching facility in the USA. 90% of all major large animal hospitals across the country use it, and it's used in over 30 countries worldwide. Watch the next few minutes of video and see how the Stat Large Animal IV System works and how it could change for the better the way you treat your patients. Two important and unique components of the system are the Supreme Ball Bearing Swivel and the 10-foot polyurethane coil. Look at the swivel. It's located at the top of the 5-hooked stainless steel gyro fluid hanger. That means that the bags of fluid can rotate freely 360 degrees in either direction. It's so strong it can hold more than 110 pounds of fluids. The fluids rotate on the gyro fluid hanger as the animal moves, and the coil allows the patient to go anywhere in the stall, even to lie down and roll. As you can see, even if the animal is agitated and moves quickly, there is still no problem. The system accommodates even sudden or violent movement. The great thing is the gyro fluid hanger with swivel can be suspended anywhere, from the center of a stall, a run-in shed, or even a tree limb. In stalls, a hanger installation kit makes it possible to lower the hanger to conveniently hand bags of fluids and connect the IV set, and then raise the hanger so it is above the patient to give the fluids. The addition of a pulley just above the hanger reduces the effort needed to raise the heavy bags of fluids. Now you can eliminate the use of large, bulky carboys. Now the animal no longer needs to be restrained. Now bags no longer have to be replaced several times an hour. Now the patient no longer has to be monitored and supervised constantly. And now catheters are rarely dislodged or pulled out. In short, the system eliminates many of the complications previously associated with fluid administration. The third important and unique feature is that the bottom of the coil attaches to the main, and the distal male lure lock connector can be attached to either an extension set or directly to the catheter. Just take a small piece of main, back by the withers, braid it or tape it, then pass the releasable cable tie, which is included on the set, through the bottom of the main and tighten it. That eliminates any tension or pull on the catheter. We've also included a permanent tie attached to the releasable cable tie. You can use it to anchor the main attachment to the tubing to prevent the tubing from sliding or moving to put a disruptive force on the catheter. The system is very efficient and can deliver up to 28 liters per hour just on gravity. The large drip chamber has 2 additional ports to allow for simultaneous additive and medication administration. Because the drip chamber is large, you can easily see the drip rate from outside the stall. The label is handy for quick, easy patient reference. We've even included 2 blue hangers next to the 2 fluid spikes. When you attach them to the bags as shown, the fluid spikes cannot be pulled out of the fluid bags. The gyro hanger is designed to hold 1 to 5 fluid bags, but in emergencies has been used to hold up to 10 fluid bags at one time. A 10-foot coiled extension set is ideal for administering fluids with an infusion pump to patients large and small. As you can see, even this lamb is able to move around in its enclosure while receiving needed intravenous fluids. Due to many requests, International Wind designed a small bore version of the STAT Large Animal IV set to administer fluids to foals, calves, or miniature horses. You can see how this set and the large bore set can be used right in your client's own barn. That means that with minimal instruction, your client can replace the fluid bags when you need to leave to treat other patients. On the full set, the way the set attaches to the bag is slightly different, but also very simple. You can easily use more than one bag by using transfer sets to move fluid from one bag to another. The full set provides a 20 drop per milliliter drip chamber, built-in swivel, and flow control clamp, which allows for many possible setup scenarios. Just as in the large bore full-size version, the set needs to be attached to the main back near the withers to eliminate all tension on the catheter. We recommend the full set be used with an extension set, which International Wind can provide. All of us at International Wind are happy to be part of the improved care of large animals. And we take special pride in the fact that our products use only the highest quality components and are made entirely in the USA. We hope you'll try one of our STAT Large Animal IV systems in your practice soon. We know you'll be glad you did.